A monster make idea!
It's a paper plate crab.
Let's get monster making!
Now for this monster make, we'll need a paper plate, clothes pegs, pipe cleaners, small pom-poms, paint and stickers.
What do you want to do, Rebecca?
First, let's take our paper plate and paint the bottom a nice crabby orange.
Painty, painty, paint! I'm never crabby when I'm painting.
Too true. Now while the plate dries, we'll make the crab's pincers. Take 2 old clothes pegs and 2 orange pipe cleaners and thread them through the pegs like this. Now twist.
Twist? You got it!
Not that kind of twist, Murphy. I meant twist the pipe cleaners.
Oh, I knew that! Twisty, twisty! I love twisty, twisty!
Now take another pipe cleaner and bend it into a U shape.
Here you go!
Next, attach a pom-pom and sticker to each end.
For the crab's eyes.
Now fold the dry paper plate in half.
Then take the pipe cleaner pincers and eyes and then...
You know what that sound means.
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs!
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, this is what we do. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
Ah, I could listen to them play all day. Now, come on, Rebecca. You heard the song. Let's glue!
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, this is what we do. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you.
These eyes are looking good. And the crab pincers are clawsome.
Too true, Murphy. Now to make the crab's bendy legs. Glue 3 short pipe cleaners to each side.
Or you can use monster magic like me.
And lastly, use a pen to give your crab a happy smile.
Ah,
One cool crab completed.
it's a marvellous monster make. And best of all, it can hold all your important notes.
Like this one. Fine fruit smoothies.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Why don't you make your own paper plate crab and decorate it any way you want?